Get ready, start. This special appeal has arisen from a judgment and order of the learned single judge dated 24/3/2015. Briefly stated, the services of the respondent, who was a constable in the Provincial Armed Constabulary (PAC), were terminated on 14/10/1977 on the ground that he had been involved in a revolt which had taken place in 1973. The respondent filed a claim petition before the Public Services Tribunal (tribunal). The tribunal dismissed the claim petition by an order dated 19/1/1998. A writ petition was filed by the respondent to challenge the order of the tribunal. A writ petition was filed before this court by one Vijay Bahadur Singh, who was similarly circumstanced, a learned single judge of this court by judgment dated 26/9/1997 allowed the writ petition and, while setting aside the order of termination, directed the state to reinstate the petitioner in those proceedings with full benefits with retrospective effect. In the writ petition filed by the respondent, the division bench, while allowing the writ petition, issued the following directions: impugned termination order dated 14/10/1977 and the order of the tribunal dated 19/1/1998 are quashed. Following the order of the division bench, the respondent was reinstated on 21/6/2000. The respondent then filed a writ petition in 2002 for a mandamus seeking the payment of back wages for the period between 14/10/1977 and 26/2000 by an order of the learned single judge dated 25/2002. The writ petition was disposed of with a direction to decide the representation of the respondent within 3 months. In terms of the order of the division bench, the respondent submitted a representation on 7/6/2002. The representation was rejected on 10/6/2002 by the Senior Superintendent of Police, Bareilly. The order of the division bench setting aside the termination of the respondent is the subject matter of a special leave petition which was filed by the state. Once again, the respondent filed a writ petition in 2009 for the payment of back wages for the period between 1977 and 2000. This writ petition was disposed of by a learned single judge on 29/7/2009 with a direction to the state to decide the representation of the respondent in persuasion of the directions of this court. The representation submitted by the respondent on 27/8/2009 was rejected on 9/11/2009. The respondent filed a writ petition challenging the order rejecting his representation. Stop.